Hey everyone, this is Bon Jovi's Lost Highway guitar solo breakdown. Alright, so he's sliding from the 7th to the 9th fret on the D string, hammer on to the 12th, go to the G string below it, do the same thing, then go to the 10th fret on the B string, slide up to the 12th, do the same thing on the string below it, on the E string. Those together. So then you're going to do a whole step bend on the 15th fret, the B string, with the 15th fret on the high E together. Pick it again on the B and release it to the 12 on the B. Then I'll pull off 13 to 12, do that twice. Then 14, 12 on G to 12 on the B. That all together sounds like this. So then he plays the 12th fret on the G string 2 times, pull off from 13th to 12 on the B string, back to the 12 on the G, pull off from 15th to 12 on the B, 12, 12 on the G, to the 15th on the high E, just pick it, the 12, 12 again, pull off 13, 12 on the B, 12, 12, 15, 12, pull off. Now pull off twice on the 13, 12, and then 14, 12 on the G. All together. If you're enjoying this content, I'll leave another video up here you can watch next. And then he plays the 12th fret on the G string, 14th fret on the A string. And does a pull off from the 14th to the 12th on the D to the 14th on the A string. Then he does a hammer on from the 12th to the 14th on the D string to the 12 on the G. Then a pull off from the 14th to the 12th on the G to the 14th on the D. Then he plays 12 on the D, then 3 times on the G, then 1 time on the 15th fret, 3 times on the 15th fret of the high E. Then he bends on the 17th fret, whole step, the 15th on the high E string. Sounds like that. If you're enjoying my content, I'll leave another playlist up here. You could watch some of those videos next.